Torch.CUDA is underscore available, returns false in Colab. I am trying to use GPU in Google Colab. Below are the details of the versions of PyTorch and CUDA installed in my Colab. I am pretty new to using a GPU for transfer learning on PyTorch models. My torch.CUDA is underscore available, returns false, and I am unable to use a GPU. Torch.backends.current.enable returns true. What might be going wrong here?
Temporal fix may be to try CUDA 10.0 as explained in here. Something like this. In future versions this may work.
Worked with all the versions mentioned above, and I did not have to downgrade my CUDA to 10.0. I had restarted my Colab after the updates, which set my running machine back to CPU, and I just had to change it back to GPU.
Make sure your hardware accelerator is set to GPU. Runtime is greater than change runtime type is greater than hardware accelerator. In case anyone else comes here and makes the same mistake I was making. If you are trying to check if GPU is available, and you do, it will always seem that GPU is available. Note you need to use torch.CUDA is underscore available, not torch.CUDA is underscore available.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.